darling. How are you? I'm feeling like a rich auntie right now. Jackie Aina just blessed us with a palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is one of my favorite companies. Yes, doing it for our black queens. Like, that just motivated me to really like get out here and grind and hustle and do what I gotta do. Like, at this point, like, it's no games. Like, no games are being played. All right? All right. So if I'm on your necks, I'm sorry, but I will not be paying your hospital bills. What do you do, boo? What do you do? My skin looks really good. Like, she's coming back. Comeback season is in full effect. Like, what do you do? Hold on. Moment of silence. Moment of silence for our black queens coming up in the beauty industry. Like, wow. Okay, now look at this. Look at how like beautiful this palette is, y'all. Like, I am literally gagging right now. Like, the packaging of this palette is way different than other Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. The way it feels, like, you guys know Anastasia or Anastasia. If you want to say something in the comments about what I'm saying, click off the video because I don't got time today. You know, like tomato, whatever you want to say, like, who cares? Her palettes are usually kind of like velvet. It kind of has that velvety texture on it. This one doesn't, which I love because I feel like it's going to be easier to clean off. This palette, the colors in here look very, very versatile, which I love, love, love. And I've seen a lot of reviews and I heard it was really pigmented, so I'm just gonna really get into this video. For the most part, my face is done. I have to just prime my eyes. So Anastasia Beverly Hills, they came out with this primer and I've used it before and it's really good. So I'm gonna use this today to prime my eyes really quickly and get them together for this palette. Like, we have to prepare.
Shout out to all the pair
for this palette, y'all. And it does, if you like let it sit for like a couple of days or something, you gotta like shake it up. And I'm just going to put this on my eye. It kind of reminds me of the P. Louise base. If you guys don't know what the P. Louise base is, it's like to help your eyeshadow be more like pigmented and out there. So I'm pretty much going to pack it on my whole lid. And since I have hooded eyes, I have to set. If I don't set, my eyes will crease. So if your eyes are creasing and you have hooded eyes, it's probably because you aren't setting your eyeshadow primer. The first color I'm already like drawn to instantly is this ginger. Honey, I've never seen a color like this. So I'm just going to pop this right up on here. Yes, I love that color already. Ginger is gonna be my new favorite transition color. Like, I already know. I already freaking know. Oh my gosh, I'm drooling. What is going on? Oh my god. I was blending in like butter. But I expect nothing less because, I mean, it is Anastasia Beverly Hills. Like, Anastasia's quality is just amazing. And then you got a bad bit and a great brand combined is just... I haven't really done like makeup in a while because y'all know my skin is just a little crazy right now. But I'm just gonna keep working up this product and I love how it is looking already. So I'm just like bringing it out a little bit. So I'm holding the brush a little bit out just because I want it to be blown out. When you hold it closer, you apply more pressure. And then when you hold it out further, you're applying less pressure. So it's gonna be able to look more airbrushed than like boom. So I want it to be more darker on the outer corners, so I'm just packing it a little bit on the outer corner, just a tad, and then blending it up a little bit. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna take some of the edges, which is what she took. Like, she's snatching the edges that I have. Like, I just wear it, like. So I'm just popping this right on top of Ginger. Ginger is giving me like very fall vibes, and I'm loving her. I'm digging her. But yeah, that just makes it a little bit lighter. So I'm probably gonna pop a little bit of what's it called? Ginger. I'm gonna pop some more ginger right on the outer corner, right here. I have been freaking eyeing credit. Girl, is this gonna give me good credit? I think it's telling me to get better credit. Like, it's good, it's mediocre, but it needs to be better. So hopefully this gives me that. But let me, I'm kind of scared, I'm kind of nervous to pop her. Okay, hold on, okay. Pop her right there. Oh yes, oh yes ma'am. Oh yes ma'am. Bro, y'all need this. Y'all need this. Like, this is everything. Let me get my other so I can see a little bit. Okay, hold on. But yeah, so I'm gonna just blend this going up and pretty much like create like a little V in a sense. And I'm tapping with very light pressure so that I can blend it out. So it is blending in really well with each other, and I love that. Like, I really love that. I don't have to put too much of like my arm muscle, like elbow grease, you know what I'm saying? I don't have to do too much to blend it out, which I love. And a lot of Anastasia, well, all of Anastasia Beverly Hills products, well, palettes, except for like that one. But this one is blending out really well, which I love. And I would expect nothing less from Miss Jackie. All right, so I'm about to use some of my NYX glitter glue. I love this. If you have hooded eyes, use this for your eyeshadow. It's not crunchy or anything. And I am going above my fold because I want that shimmer to show. All right, so I'm gonna take Zam and I'm popping this on with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow. Whoa. Now I know when I use, oh my gosh. All right, so that's without, you know, me spraying the brush. It's nice and pigmented, but I know when I spray this brush, it's gonna look so much better. So I'm gonna spray the brush with the all-nighter spray. You can use really anything, but I'm gonna pick it up. And that has no kickback in the pat. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna wrap like, oh my god. I'm gonna take a little bit of a Soleil. I'm gonna take some of that top shade right above it and just pop that on top just a little bit. Now I'm gonna take some of Ginger and Edges on the other side of my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and just pop that right on the outer corner where that brown and the shimmer meet. Yeah, just like that. When I move, you move, just like that. Got a little bit of fallout. We don't like fallout. Oh no, oh no. So I'm gonna take some of Ginger and pop this under my waterline, my lower waterline, and just smoke it out a little bit. Kind of connect it to the top, like so. And then I'm taking some of Credit and popping that as close to my waterline as possible, like right up in there. And I'm just tapping that right along like my lash line. And I'm using a angled brush and the tip of the angled brush to get it as close to my waterline as possible. Okay, so now I'm going to just, I don't want to mess this eye look up at all, so I'm going to just create a nice tight line on my lashes because this look is really cute. Okay, Anastasia with this liquid liner. I like this. This is cute. All right, I'm gonna do a wing. I'm gonna do it. And I am popping some liner on my waterline all the way into the inner corner. Back with the lashes on. The lashes just make everything look like together, very put together, and just very bomb. Made it look even more bomb, like. All right, let me go ahead and finish my face off. I'm gonna highlight now using the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose highlighter, and I'm just gonna pop that on my cheekbones right there so I can really like just glow. Look at that glow. Yes, that Anastasia glow. And then since I'm doing like rose gold and stuff, I'm gonna use a peach blush. This one is from Laura Mercier. And I'm just gonna pop that on my cheeks so I can look like I'm blushing and just very like girly looking. Just a little bit though, not too much. And I like to bring it up my like cheekbone a little bit. Alrighty, so for my lips, I'm gonna take my favorite like glossy nude lip combination, and that's using the MAC Cork lip liner and the MAC lip gloss or lip glass. I think it's lip glass. Yeah, lip glass in Myth. I will recommend this palette for everyone to get. If you're lighter skin, if you're lighter than me, if you're darker than me, like she gonna push through, okay? That color is gonna push through. I'm here for it. I'm here for it, Miss Jackie. But yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful, helpful, and hopefully inspiring. If you guys did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. Definitely subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel and be a part of the gang. And also, I am going to be doing another look with this palette. So if you want to see that, it'll be on my IGTV. So definitely follow me on Instagram at naturally.sunny. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.